It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Betway Premiership Match Day number 3. Kaizer Chiefs 1. Mamelodi Sundowns 1. FNB Stadium. Good attendance. Go jonga nale weather lapha eGauteng. Kubanda kakhulu. Awunobablame abantu abahleli endlini bayibukela eTV nomdlalo, but I think igame ezinje they should be a 70, 75, 80, 85,000 or even a sold out because it's a A-grade game. But don't join weather apparently. No, kabanye abantu onobasola babuzini ukuthi why bengayanga. But Kaizer Chiefs became the third team to play against the team enezidayi ezimbini. Polokwane City, they were the first one. TS Galaxy, they were second team. Now Kaizer Chiefs become the third team to play against the team enezidayi ezimbini. Mhlobam, how are you?
Ngishaba ngana.
Are you feeling good?
The first team ukuthola point Sundowns, because yes, MTN 8 badlala draw Sundowns because they end up by
Extra time, sorry. Yeah.
So kusho ukuthi draw, but Chiefs team engicabanga ukuthi ikwazi ukukora amagoli amancane kuMamelodi Sundowns.
Ngoba aluqala ngosathatha mhlawumbe
no,
okay.
Just bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi akuphethe njani lama results wale game.
Namhlanje?
Yeah.
It's a good result for everyone.
Okay.
I mean, it's a good result for everyone.
For everyone.
For everyone, it's a good result.
Yeah.
Must say FNB, Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Into endifuna siqale ngayo kakhulu, the slow start. Mamelodi Sundowns good season, and also the slow start. Mamelodi Sundowns play game. Mhlawumbe noba yintoni ekhoza lonto mhlobam ukuthi mhlawumbe bene slow start ku-season, because sijwayele ukuthi Sundowns ukuthi biba la team kakuya ku-December kuthiwa no, let's wrap it up banikeni. But xa sewujonga indlela eqale ngayo bonakala ngathi singangawatsho lo mazwi ngo-December ukuthi no banikeni. Intoni ekhoza lonto ukuthi mhlawumbe Sundowns bene slow start ku-season?
Yeah, Shane, ithi ngibulise Shane, ngibulise namadoda le studio mngani wami. Yeah, ngiyacabanga ukuthi the way boni Sundowns icala slow ngakhona Shane. Bengibhekile lento, ngibheka the way ba approach ngakhona lama game. I think abadlali abaningi ku Sundowns ngicabanga ukuthi abasingakabi ready man ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi season ngaba seyicalile. Ungabheka the way nje bas apply ngakhona kulama game, and also yes, we can say some of the players abekho available, but kuwonke lama team kunabadlali abangekho available. But mawungabheka the way yabo AmaZulu baqale ngakhona uyabona ukuthi bana le spark, and most of the time lama team afana nabo AmaZulu Sikhukhuni baqala ngendlela baqala ngakhona, so kuya ngokuthi mhlawumbe I depth banayo yini na life yakhona ibakhawade khona. But lama team la ngicabanga ukuthi afana nabo Sundowns the way baqala ngakhona akubonisi man ukuthi bana lento, but at the end of the day bafika la ba pick up khona. I think sekula babona khona ukuthi sekunama mistake phela siwayenzayo, siya draw siya loser, kumele ukuthi sipush, especially njengabo Orlando Pirates also uyabona ukuthi baqala kanjani. But definitely sure ngicabanga ukuthi la kubo game number 5 yila ubona khona ukuthi manje yini mhlawumbe lama team afuna ukukwenza, because they've got quality players compared to amanye ama team. So ngicabanga ukuthi nako lokho kuye kuba affect mhlawumbe the way baqala ama games slowly ngakhona Shane, ukuthi maybe bacabanga ukuthi kulula mhlawumbe psychological abadlali uma ngabe basaya kulama game bacanga ngathi okay it's easy ukuthi singawina lama game, but after babona ukuthi akukhulula yila khona mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi baqala ukupick up khona Shane.
Basingena emidlalweni mhlobo mbona umdlalo namhlanje kuyo yonke le 94 minutes ubona njalo?
Yeah, Shane, angeke ngithi a good game, but into engayisho ngathi good results. I think it's a lovely draw for lama team. Uma ungabheka nje baqale ngakhona. Ngaqala ngelicembu leKaizer Chiefs. Belhost lidlala ekhaya Shane. When you look at Kaizer Chiefs lineup yayo, ikutshela something. I think game plan yabo ibasebenzele belicembu leKaizer Chiefs, because uma ungabheka they played without a striker. If ungabheka uBartman bekadlala as a false 9, bokumdlala ngicama ukuthi uye noPhili abadlali ebangathi bafuna kuba khona ku-attack. That is why kuba difficult for iKaizer Chiefs uma ngabe mhlawumbe uPhili receive iball ehafini leSundowns kufika la khona gcina alethi cross kunganamuntu eboxini. It's because of inumber iKaizer Chiefs beyibaningi emuva la khona ngibona uModi today I'm more good defense adlala as a left back la khona iChiefs mayingana bhola it's 5-3-2 basala ngophili no Bartman up front but the three central midfield the Chiefs uGatsheni uMthethwa noMabuya I will give credit kulabadlali because benza into engicabanga ukuthi abazange abaniki Sundowns indlela ukuthi idlala ibhola ehafini yeChiefs they allow Sundowns ukuthi ibe khona ku build up but the way bebasipositiona ngakhona in the middle of the park it was difficult bekuforce Sundowns ukuthi idlale wide ifune uMatthews no Van Wyk and ima bafuna uMatthews no Van Wyk ila iChiefs ifuna khona because inabadlali abazokwazi ukuthi babuye aboModi then bona kule central defense uMloyisane uMiguel noKwinika bazipositiona bavala lama pockets la Sundowns ingeke ikwazi ukudlala and also behind the midfield the Chiefs bekungana space between i defense Chiefs ne midfield the Chiefs la mhlawumbe ngathi Sundowns beyingadlala khona ngoba naye Sundowns beyinganayo number 10 beyidlala ngama midfield awu3 la khona ngibona ngathi ileke ne creativity so but for iKaizer Chiefs chain ngicabanga ukuthi game plan yabo basebenzele for ukuthi bathole le draw because we can say yes bapaka ibhasi badlala mid block but at the end of the day kune game plan ekumele siyenze they got a chance ukuthi balidi Mamelodi Sundowns ngicabanga ukuthi maybe ngoba vele ucoach already bese kunabadlala afuna ukubafaka but iChiefs ngicabanga ukuthi lapha yilabe ine chance khona because you manage to play a draw neMamelodi Sundowns njengoba igame plan yakho uyibona ukuthi umore ku defense but immediately uthola igoal ngicabanga ukuthi bekumele yenze kangcono but ukuletha uCheslett ngibona ngathi kuba let down because of ngicabanga ukuthi ne position bese kuba khona nema space kulela side ila khona ngibona iSundowns ukuthi beyimo abogatsheni uma bangena bebasebenzisa lela side la ngalo Chislett so maybe if because sometimes indlela ukudefenda Shane enye ukuthi uattack maybe if uphili was there maybe number bezoleka but ngibone ngathi mhlambe bese abheke nani nale energy because imtrain kakhulu uphili because bekumdlali icabanga ukuthi uye beka more offensive but it did well mongabheka abogatsheni I think ugatsheni mangabe angadlali kahle enza ama foul commit ama foul siyakhuluma ngaye ukuthi nokumele alungise but today I think udlale kahle ama foul amaningi ngibone ngathi bekufoulwa yena so ile zinto esizifuna ukuthi azidlaleni but
and he was man of the match
exactly man of the match so ngicabanga nalela goal ubonile ukuthi
assist
ukwazile ukuthi azama ukuthi macede kuwina lela bhola the way bas positiona ngakhona a forced until ayoza assist uphili ku final third I think he played well uGatsheni even nabo Mthethwa ngicabanga ukuthi badlale kahle Shane but okunye nje ama foul wabonile I think uKwinika bekumele ahambile athole red card kule bhola I think yaka Matthews mawukhahlela ibhola phinde extend inyawo even nayo Aubrey it was a second yellow card ukubamba ibhola intentionally because umbonile ukuthi libambe ngabomu so now it was a second yellow card so maningi abadlali ngicabanga ukuthi kunama foul and ngibone no Bennett naye unalahlezi khona ku Chislett I think they tackle nayo bengasihle I think bekungenye tackle ucabanga ukuthi uref noma ngakunikeza red card bongeke umblame because ubona the way umdlala ngene ngakhona so kuningi nje kwama error lapho nalapho you know ukuthi sihlala vele week in week out chain ngendaba zabo ref but for iKaizer Chiefs ngicabanga ukuthi bekumele yenze kangcono even nalela goal la kaMayilula uMayilula mfishane emngaka unalama center back awu3 then no goalkeeper
and ibona iku 6 yard Bobzini yabona mina all goalkeeper I know yabona if ibhola kuzawuhead umuntu ku 6 yard ukhona goalkeeper I mean ibox yonke yakho but I can forgive you if you head to a par
boxing
but ku 6 yard
ube late
I think you should command
I think they are sure ukuthi ama defender azoyiclear lela bhola but ngokubona kwakhe naye wamaphuma epalini kanti uMayilula ngokuhlanganipha kwakhe must also give credit ushort but ukwazile ukufika kulela bhola then alithinte lingene netini so mina Shane ngicabanga ukuthi iChiefs igame plan yabo ibasebenzele Shane la ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe after bakorile yibo mhlawumbe bengibona kade bengenza ngcono ukuthi ba defend lela goal but ukhumbula the more ufuna ukudefenda is the more u-invite i-opponent ukuthi attack so so uma ngathi uyibheka vele nje Shane le draw ngicabanga ukuthi for bona i-good for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi bathole le draw.
There was a debut namhlanje for the former Golden Arrows midfielder Usana Ndlovu. He played so well ngena kwakhe. You could see the pace, you could see the energy. What did you make of him namhlanje?
Shane uSkwishi ukungena kwakhe ngicabanga ukuthi ufike wenza amehluko ukwazile ukunikeza le attack eSundowns energy kuranela kuma spaces ungabheka ama winger weSundowns Van Wyk no Matthews bebangarani, okay, ngisho ngithi because of i-defense eKaizer Chiefs beyivala wonke lawo ma-space abomodi ukuthi babuye bazo-defenda, but ama-run wabo yamancane. I think maybe ukushota lesa space lesi Chiefs mhlambe bengabanikezi sona, but mangabheka uSquish ukungena kwakhe Shane ngicabanga ukuthi yena no Bennett bangene kwabakhona umehluko, especially going forward, ukuthi at least sifika kanjani ku defense yeOrlando Pirates yeKaizer Chiefs. I mean, so into nje ngibhekile decision making, especially ku Bennett, ngibone ngathi uba comfortable kakhulu boy. I understand usasemncane khona la kumele alungiswe khona, but sometimes uma ngabe Shane ubona ukuthi okay igame efana nale ngintwana, uma ngabe ngibona ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiyenze lento ngifuna ukuyenza, asiphaseni ibhola silincenge singene phakathi, yabona. So for bona abo Squish bayichange igame Shane, especially uma ubona i-Sundowns bangena so yiku-1-0 down. Ngicabanga ukuthi bafike banikeze i-Sundowns enye into nje, ngicabanga ukuthi kube lula for i-Sundowns ukuthi ifike ku defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs, but overall nje na i-Sundowns uma ungabheka Shane idlala inganayo number 10 la. Ngicabanga ukuthi maybe bokumdlali obuzomdinga for i-creativity, because uLeon was nowhere to be found, because of la vele khona first half kulela bhola balishaya behind the defense la khona ashaya first touch ila ngimbone khona, but most of the time strike amasingalitholi ibhola Shane siba frustrated. That is why ubona i-defense eKaizer Chiefs imfake phakathi always mangabe kwenza lawo bavala lawo ma space ukuthi kungabi khona irun azoyenza uLeon. So for ngendlela benze ngakhona give credit kule defense, because uLeon ngomunye umdlali ufuna umplanele Shane. So if bakwazile ukumplanela ukuthi angakwazi ukuthola lawo ma chances, angakwazi ukuranela kulawo ma spaces, kusho kona ukuthi benze kahle. But for iSundowns ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngabe no number 10 Shane, ngabe mhlambe kube na something, because leya midfield uma ungayibheka bekuyi midfield ebekade inomkhulisi ino Allende ino Obasi. Obviously Obasi udlala as a 6, and I'm happy for him man, because uvelile kaningi ilento engidinga as a 6 ukuthi collector vela uze uzosidlalisa, even though i-match fitness ingayikho ngale ndlela, understand. But for me ngicabanga ukuthi Shane benze kangcono. Unfortunately man, iSundowns ngitshelile last week, ngitshela uMr Nkewu ngale defense uJwanisi uma amajita azoba ready uzohlala ngaphandle, noma hlala ngaphandle bazothi coach akamnikeza ichance awenza ama mistake afana nalawo Shane. uJwanisi udlala ngakomqondo, he's a midfield but yena is a defender, because always win ball ufuna ukurelaxa Shane. Lela bhola lela bekunganasidingo, okay player dlalela uWilliam or else Claire le phambili uthatha ibhola ulifaka phakathi. Ngibona amagoli amaningi kule weekend esibuya kiyo na last week, maningi ma team aconsider ngalendlela leya, bafuna ukuthatha ibhola balifake phakathi bal intercept, and mabaceda ukul interceptor already umdlalo ukutarget. Maningi ngathi wabheke nje ku Betway na ku M108 maningi ama team aconsider ngale mistake eyenza uJwanisi as a defender awenze lawo ma mistake Shane, because bazokuphanisha abundlovu mabalwina lapha bazo attack space, and maba attack space bambone Obasi une yellow card uzoziletha phambi kwa Obasi angeke commit foul, because uyazi ukuthi ngine yellow card, second yellow ngayithola. So ngicabanga ukuthi kumele balungise kule defense, maybe mhlawumbe makuzobuya abadlali bafana nabo Cupido kule defense eMamelodi Sundowns, and also umvala mangathola ifitness ngicabanga ukuthi ngaba ngcono, because uJwanisi Shane maningi amaphutha asazwayenza, and amaphutha awenzayo bazoyiphanisha iSundowns ngale center back.
Bobuzeni masivale mhlobo wami. FNB Stadium, it's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Sabe sibuye ke ngomso siniphathele onye umdlalo oqhubela on Sunday. There are a couple of games ze Betway Premiership, but umdlalo esawucover apha ku Diski TV ngumdlalo ose Kings Park Stadium at Durban, between Ichipa United the host and also Orlando Pirates, third defending league champions, the treble champions ziyadlala ke ngomso. Masivale. FNB Stadium is Kaizer Chiefs 1,
The defending champion. Thank you, Shane.
Thank you so much for watching Diski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Diski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.